Well on everybody, King Sharo. I hope everybody is having a blessed day. And in this whole crisis of the pandemic, I just want to clear all false assumptions of people confusing this this whole crisis with 5G, thinking that 5G is the reason for all of the lost lives and all of the crazy mass deaths that's going on. And I just want to really clarify what is going on and to just call out bullshit because it's not real. Not saying that 5G doesn't have its hazards, but it isn't even closely or slightly related to coronavirus and this pandemic. And I actually have something to show everybody right now. I'm going to prove to you guys that 5G is nowhere near relative to the pandemic now, COVID-19. So let me just show you guys something quick. Let me show you guys something.
Florida is no.
By the way, this video is from 2016, just to let y'all know.
And a lot more concern about what's happening to their valuable and vulnerable ecosystem. If you walk up and down Indian River Lagoon, you will see this.
You see that? I'm hoping everybody is seeing that. Thousands of fishes washed up.
Their average rainfall for the month of January. All of that rainwater and runoff has gone straight into the rivers and the lagoon. Not to mention because
climatic changes is the cause of this.
Toxic algae bloom and brown tide to take over. The algae bloom depletes the oxygen from the water, in turn killing the fish, and is also...
Alright people, don't leave yet. I have 2 other videos to show y'all about this thing. I have 2 more videos, so just stay.
Time all over the state, but this one is massive.
It's a mystery that's caused a real flap in this part of Arkansas, with many wondering what's happened to these birds.
About 10:30, I come out here and seen a bird drop.
I just immediately called Mom because I had to go to work, and I said, you've got to come get the kids and get the dog because I don't know what's going on, but I don't want them messing with any of them. It was horrible. You could not even get down the road without running over hundreds. It was that bad.
So basically what you're seeing is dead birds, and this video was from 9 years ago.
They've spent the start of 2011 cleaning them up.
Started at 7 o'clock and picking up birds on the street, in the yards. It's been run over and just a mess.
So, spooky omen or natural causes? Well, that's what these teams are now trying to work out. They've flown over the area to test the air and say that's all clear, but not everyone is convinced.
Walking around in masks, and I'm...
You heard what she said? She said mask.
that.
Signaling that this is a disease or something climatic that is causing the problems here, not some radioactive frequency.
Hail and fireworks are some of the causes that experts are now looking into as they try and figure out what's caused this bolt out of the blue, and residents of all sizes will be waiting to hear their answers.
I want you guys to pay real close attention to this video because I hear a lot of stories and hysteria about how 5G almost like killed a tree, and like a tree was found half dead, like one side with leaves and one side without the leaves and the bark. And this video is going to clarify that and show how bacteria can enter the trees and actually kill the trees fast and give an appearance as if the tree is dead or half dead, similar to the tree that is in the rumors of what people are talking about, speculating that 5G caused it.
That invaded Florida in 2006 is now taking a toll in Tampa. You may have driven by a stand of sickly-looking palm trees between Ybor City and Channelside. The city's going to try to cure them, but it may be too late.
Palm trees represent everything that's beautiful and relaxing about Florida. So the death and decline of so many once grand palms is sad. And for Tampa taxpayers who paid for these trees, expensive.
They're not cheap, right?
$5,000 to $8,000 each.
Greg Bayer of the Parks Department says his staff knows about these diseased palm trees on the Nick Nucio roundabout in Ybor City. They've been diagnosed with Texas Phoenix palm decline, so named because the bacteria is likely spread from Texas by some kind of leaf-hopping insect. and first affected Phoenix palms. The symptoms include a browning of the leaves starting from the bottom and a dropping of any fruit the tree may be carrying. There's no cure, but local tree doctors offer injections of an antibiotic that can beat back the symptoms. The city will start injecting these trees in about 2 weeks.
As you guys saw the videos, obviously 5G isn't the cause of the pandemic right now, and it is the cause of the lost lives, because this has been going on for a long time. Those videos are obviously old. They've been posted and uploaded a long time ago, and this is what I've been trying to explain to y'all. I've been saying that how the reason for all of these signs and rumors that people have been talking about and always complaining about how 5G is the reason for people, the radiation causing people to get cancer, how trees are becoming half dead, how leaves on one side of the tree and leaves are on one side, birds are falling out of the sky and all this rumour. The truth is, it has been happening a long time, and it's because of climatic changes. And if you guys went to school, you will know that a constant change in the environment and in the atmosphere of weather, that is the definition of a climate. And we live in a climatic zone, which is Earth. So things are bound to change. Adaptations are not always easily made in the animalia kingdom, or such as us mammals, that is the birds, animals, big cats, that is our species, mammals. So sometimes, basically, when it gets too cold or when it gets too hot in certain areas of the world, and you see mass or vast numbers of deaths in animals and they're just died in one area, it's obviously, and you can't just quickly assume or say presumably that it's because of a specific reason like 5G, how radioactive electromagnetic frequency is the reason for that radioactive energy that emits killed those animals. It can't specifically be that, because right now I'm standing in front of a 5G cell tower here in Jamaica, and I'm alright. The birds are chirping, the leaves are living, the vegetation is alright. Animals, my dog is right here. My dog is right here. Watch this. My dog's right here. My dog is good. Well going, bros? You good? You see me? So, like, just don't be quick to assume like it's 5G for everything, because when you say vast deaths like that, it's obviously because they couldn't adapt to the changes that are being made in the climate as of now. It's the same with trees, because even in one of the videos you would have seen, if you watch the whole thing, yo, can't talk fast, I just lose my breath, we need to start exercise. But you would have seen that it's a type of plant bacteria entered inside of the plant. It's called, what is it called? What's it called again? It's a type of thing that goes into the palm trees and kills the palm trees. Sometimes you see them half dead, leaves are dropping off, the leaves are dead, the plants get brown, all of that. It happens with every species of plants. You understand? Also, the next thing you need to look at, when the amount of atmospheric concentration, thus carbon dioxide, increases in the environment, that also increases the photosynthesizing of the plant, thus boosting the efficiency of plant water use and creating an even thicker plant structure. But when you decrease the atmospheric concentration or carbon dioxide, that right there decreases the photosynthesizing process of a plant. That enhances plant water usage in the plant. So the plant will look as if it's dying, or the structure won't be as developed as other plants that have an increase in carbon dioxide or increase in other gases and elements. So that's just, what the hell? That's just the thing. So I'm not saying that 5G is dangerous, but you can't compare and bring one category into a next category that aren't relative at all. It just doesn't make no sense. It's incoherent, and some of the cases of people that have gotten sick and ill from 5G claim to be and supposedly are very different from people that have gotten sick from the coronavirus. So I just hope this video clarified everything, and I hope you guys got something from this video. I don't want to spend too long out here because it looks like it's going to rain. I hope you guys got something. Stay safe.